Hello, GC Ton Mindoro. What happened? What happened? I check my my I check the pod cooking. Sabang. Anong sabang? What is that, GT Son? I can understand. Hola, Emma. Hola. Evening, everyone. Ate, kanina ko pa tinitignan yung teddy bear. Gumagalaw yung teddy bear. Ay nako, Joshel Marcos, wag mo nga akong tinatakot. Oy, kasi mag-isa lang ako dito. Wag mo kong tinatakot. Pumatay yung balahibo ko. Emil, wag mo akong tinatakot because, ay nako, takot tuloy ako. Alisin ko na nga to dito. Gutom ka na? Yes, I'm hungry. I daily sleep at 10 p.m. But today I'm awakened to talk to you all night. Don't worry, I will not talk to you in Broadway or in Brunswick. Oh, yeah. Cat is very cute. He's sleeping always. Curtains just enjoying the war between. Sarah? Here in Caloocan, Philippines. In Caloocan. Hello, Leticia Selva. How are you? I'm good. Do you want to listen pick line from me? Oh, I want. Yeah. I want pick up line. Nora, hello. Hello, Nora. Mama Argentina. Hello. Ayan na si English. Yeah, ayan na. Manunosbid na. Hello, Steph Tomangor. Hello, Joshua Marcos. Manunosbid na naman tayo. Taga saan ka ba, Joshua Marcos? Where are you from? Okay lang. I'm always good. So I have something